Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the 3 best way how to get free connects on Upwork. So the first way is to go to your profile, then click on connects. After that, each month you will get free connects. The second way is to go and click on buy connects. After that, as you can see, you can upgrade to join Freelance Plus and you will get more free connects with this subscription. And the third way is to select the amount of connects you want to buy, let's say 100 connects. Then as you can see here, if you have a promo code, you can enter your promo code and redeem it, so you will have these connects for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.